God damn it.
Jesus Christ.
Rocco goes, yeah.
What the hell did I just fucking...
Rocco, I'm gonna make a compilation of all your burps. That's what I'm planning on. And then I did. I made a whole compilation of my friend Rocco burping. And here it is. Oh, I got it.
Same with
Yeah, man.
Alright. Oh, you got...
Oh, I just pooped. Just a wee bit. Does she have... what?
Rocco.
Oh, I wanna...
Rocco's gone. It wasn't me. The funny joke, man.
Why? Why you no fuck me?
I'm gonna kill myself.
Don't die.
so doing
No way, bro.
why is this
Oh, did you guys hear that?
Oh, you got that?
I got both in one clip.
Oh! I don't want to...
You're not what you're the wrong type of
Oh!
take it easy with that one.
You might have been so...
Well, that was it. That was 2 minutes and 30 seconds of my friend Rocco burping. Some of these clips for my stream, which I will link in the description, and I will link Rocco's channel in the description because without him, this video wouldn't be a thing. I would like to thank you all for watching. This took, I don't know, maybe this is over like 2 weeks, maybe a span, 2 weeks of burps, and editing this was horrible. Thank you all for watching, and if you actually made it to the end of the video, thank you, because rarely do people watch throughout the whole way. But thank you so much for watching.